Yora Natato, my name is West. I'm an actor, dancer, and stuntman living here in Pape'ete, Tahiti. Now I'm going to show you around my favorite place, the marketplace in Pape'ete. So come on, I have 5 fresh tips for you, so let's go shopping. Hey, remember, whenever you're at the marketplace, so you want to stay hydrated, the best way to get hydrated is with the natural way, ice cold. It's called the Pape'ete. That's good. Ah, just what I was looking for, a basket. We're really ready to go shopping. Can't ever have enough baskets. The marketplace here is a great place to find pearls at a great price. All the pearls have different colors, and what he's telling me is you can tell the difference in colors between them. So he tells me in his island it's a different color because the water is colder in his island than in the Tuamotu Islands. Very interesting. Hello, bro. You think this hair comes naturally, this beautiful bronze skin? No, no, no. Gotta come to this guy. Every morning, oil in the hair, oil on the skin, oil everywhere. This is the most famous brand right here, the Monoi, Tahiti. But I gotta tell you guys a secret. The best kind is the homemade ones. The ones they make right in their own yard with their own coconuts. So now we've filled up our bag over here at the marketplace with a lot of good stuff. Oils, pearls, necklaces. Now I'm getting a little bit hungry. So let's head over to the food place. The best part about the marketplace here in Pape'ete is you get such a great variety of fruits. Apple, puro, grapefruit, carambola, starfruit. You have all the varieties of bananas you want. My favorite is the rima rima because you can eat them just right here. Right. And don't forget the raw fish. That's my favorite, sashimi. Now I'm gonna grab my horse and head on home. Na na.